Is your memory fading? 6 daily habits that secretly weaken your brain. Watch now to fix them. Always in multitasking mode? 6 everyday habits that can weaken your memory. Our brain is like a muscle. The more we engage it in the right way, the stronger it becomes. However, just as poor lifestyle choices can harm our physical health, certain daily habits can quietly erode our cognitive abilities. Many of us unknowingly engage in these habits, gradually weakening our memory and concentration. If you find yourself frequently forgetting things, struggling to focus, or feeling mentally exhausted, your daily routine might be the culprit. Let's explore 6 common habits that can negatively impact memory and simple ways to overcome them. 1. Constant multitasking. We live in a world that glorifies multitasking. Answering emails while attending a virtual meeting, watching TV while scrolling through social media, or even listening to a podcast while cooking dinner. Sound familiar? While we may feel productive, studies suggest that constantly dividing our attention overloads the brain. Instead of retaining important information, our brain struggles to filter through distractions, leading to forgetfulness and decreased focus. Solution. Try practicing single tasking. Focus on completing one task at a time and give it your full attention. This not only improves memory, but also enhances efficiency and reduces mental fatigue. 2. Sleep deprivation. In the rush to meet deadlines or binge-watch favorite shows, many sacrifice sleep without realizing its long-term consequences. Sleep is crucial for memory consolidation. It's when the brain processes and stores information. Without sufficient rest, cognitive functions like problem-solving, recall, and attention span decline. Solution. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a bedtime routine, limit screen time before bed, and create a relaxing sleep environment to enhance brain function. 3. Over-reliance on technology. Smartphones and search engines at our fingertips, we seldom challenge our brain to remember things. Need a phone number? It's in your contacts. Want to recall an appointment? Your calendar has it covered. While technology is undoubtedly convenient, excessive dependence on it weakens our memory retention skills. Solution. Engage your brain actively. Try memorizing important details, practice mental math, or recall information without immediately turning to your device. Simple activities like remembering grocery lists or playing memory-boosting games can strengthen cognitive function. 4. Poor diet choices. What we eat significantly impacts brain health. Diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can lead to brain fog and cognitive decline. Nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins play a vital role in maintaining memory and focus. Solution. Incorporate brain-boosting foods like nuts, leafy greens, fish, berries, and whole grains into your diet. Stay hydrated and avoid excessive caffeine or alcohol intake to support optimal brain function. 5. Chronic stress. Stress is an unavoidable part of life, but prolonged stress can be detrimental to memory. When the body is in a constant state of stress, cortisol levels rise, impairing the brain's ability to retain and retrieve information. Ever found yourself blanking out during a stressful situation? That's your brain struggling under pressure. Solution. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or physical exercise. Taking short breaks, engaging in hobbies, and maintaining social connections also help keep stress levels in check. 6. Lack of mental stimulation. Just like physical exercise keeps our body fit, mental exercises keep our brain sharp. Engaging in the same monotonous routine without challenging the mind can cause cognitive decline over time. Solution. Keep your brain active by learning something new. Read books, solve puzzles, play musical instruments, or pick up a new language. The more you challenge your brain, the stronger it becomes. Final thoughts. Memory is not just about remembering facts. It's about maintaining overall cognitive health. By making small yet significant changes in daily habits, we can keep our brain functioning at its best. So, the next time you find yourself juggling multiple tasks, reaching for your phone instead of recalling information, or skipping a good night's sleep, pause and rethink. A healthy brain leads to a productive and fulfilling life. Start today, because your mind deserves the best care. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.